Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is going to be a tutorial about how to customize your home screen on iOS. So here I already showed to you the home screen that I have. I already have a lot of applications on my home screen, but then I have no widget on it. So how to add widget on my home screen? It's just so easy. You just need to click and hold your home screen until all of the application is start shaking. When all of the application is start shaking, you just need to go click this plus button over here, and now you will have an access to add the widgets from your phone. You just need to find out what widget that you want to have on your home screen. For example, you want to have a shortcut for the Google Drive. You just need to go click it, and after that you just need to find the choices that provided by the iPhone, and after you're done choosing the style, go click add widgets, and now the widget will be added into your home screen, and whenever you're done you just need to go click done. Okay, so that's the first thing, to add the widget on your home screen. But then how to remove all of these applications? So it's so easy. You just need to go click your screen until the application is start shaking again, and after that you just need to go click this minus buttons, and after that you just need to click remove from home screen, and this application will be removed from your home screen. So that's the way how to customize your home screen, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment if you find that this tutorial is get useful. Well,